Yo ninjas, I'm Kaio and welcome to this new tutorial where I'm gonna teach you the kick up. The kick up is this move here. You can also do it without hands, but this is the basic version. Actually in breaking it's not really used and common, but I think it's very important to learn it, to understand how to kick up your legs and how to bounce your legs. It will be very useful to learn windmill variations, windmill combos like windmill to head spin, and also other moves and variations. I really recommend learning this move, even if you're not gonna use it in your sets. First step to learn it. Start in this position, like the position 0 of the footwork, and roll on your back and come back to this position. So just try to do this. Roll and come back here. Try to do it a few times. If you cannot even do this, work on that first and use your legs and your abs and your core, your shoulder to try to lift yourself up. Second thing, your hands. You're gonna lean your hands backwards in this way. Kind of like doing a bridge, but moving your legs towards you and your hips up. So don't start like this, because in this way you will not be able to push, but start with your hips up and with your hands in this position. I'm gonna show you from this side, like this. In my case, actually I put only my fingers on the floor, but you can also put your whole hand on the floor, as you prefer. How to push with your hands? It's very similar on how you push for the bridge. So from here, you should push up like this, but then after pushing, you should not keep pushing like a bridge. So don't think about going fully into a bridge, but push, then move your hands forward very fast. You will be able also to move your chest and your shoulders forward. Because if you maintain your arms backwards, then you're not gonna be able to come back up. Push and move forward. Push and move forward. Now, with your hips and your legs. Your legs are doing this. As you can see now, your legs are in the right place, but you're not lifting your chest up. So now you have to do both things together, arms and chest and legs. If you only kick up, you're not gonna go forward, but you're just gonna do a jump like this. And if you're not gonna push up, but just forward, you're just gonna roll like this. So it's not gonna work. You have to push both up, but also forward. So like this. With your chest and your shoulders, you should be very fast and move them forward. When you push with your legs very strong, and also with your arms, move your chest and shoulders forward very quickly. At the beginning, I suggest you to learn this move with a mat or something soft. At the beginning, it will look something like this. But don't worry, it's okay if it looks like this at the beginning. Just keep practicing it and try to move forward. It's not so hard to learn. Just try it for a few days and I think you can learn it. Make sure you can roll like this first. And try to use the same momentum. Hop, hop. After learning it by using your hands, you can try it without using your hands. The concept is the same, but you have to kick harder and use more your chest and your shoulders to get up. It looks like that. To learn it in this way, I suggest you to remove your hands gradually. So, once you learn it with your hands, don't just try to remove your hands immediately. So, if at the beginning you push very strong, try to do the same but pushing softer. So in this way you have to use more your legs, your hips and your chest. Then, when you're able to push softer with your hands but still get up, try it without your hands. If you have any question about this move or variations, let me know in the comments down below. And also, if you want me to follow your progress and you want to be coached by me, check out my Patreon link in the description. And if you're interested, check out my merch. All the links in the description. And see you next week with another episode. Yo ninjas!